Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, then my name is Miss Bean Pinky. So in this video I'm going to show you all try on haul, and I've got few clothes with me which I'm going to try. This video is sponsored by Noracora.com. I'm gonna leave all the website details and code down below in the description box in case if you want to buy, and in case if you like any of these outfits I'm showing today, you may check it out. Without further ado, let's begin. The first outfit is this dress. Literally, it's beautiful dress. I love it, and like it's very pretty green, and it's a maxi dress, and yeah, I like it. You can pair it up with a belt too, and like it's so comfy, and it's really good for autumn fall season. This video is sponsored, so I haven't bought anything from this website, but I really like it. Their postage came very early, so yeah, I like it. But yeah, I'm going to buy some from this website. So after that I'm going to like tell you guys more about this website. Okay, the second one is this hoodie, and this size here rock, and it looks like this. It's really nice long sleeve and really good for fall. So I'm going to pair this up with a pants, and this pants is also from same website. Like they sent me this one too. So yeah, it has a pocket, and like this one is kind of a legging pants, I will say, and like it's really nice. It has elastic here, and I really like the zip here and the design. You can see it's really nice, pretty design. And also I got these shoes. Literally love these shoes. Like since I got this, I haven't worn this, but it's really pretty. And this side it looks like this. I love it. It's really nice, pretty shoes. And the last outfit I got is this jumpsuit. I really like the quality of this dress and this jumpsuit, and also the pants. The shoes is really good too, but this jumpsuit is really pretty. Gosh, love it. It's Miss Look. I think the brand name is Miss Look. I've got no idea. I haven't searched about it a lot, but yeah, it's really nice. The quality is really nice, as you can see. Let me hang, like use a hanger so you can see it properly. Okay, this is it. It's really pretty, as you can see. It's long, and it has pockets here, which is nice and really good quality. It's pretty. I just forgot to show you the last product, and I just found this was inside the bag too. So this is just a necklace, I think. see, it comes very nicely packed. You can see. Oh, this is really pretty. Okay, so, oh my gosh, it's really nice. At the back looks like this. Oh my gosh, look at it. Looks really nice like this. It's matching my earring. It's beautiful. I think I will wear this because I like it. Okay, I like it this way, only up to here, but like this long is left, so I kept it behind. So yeah, it's really pretty, as you can see. Love it. So I think the quality of the clothes are really good. I like it, but like while I was wearing, the button of this jumpsuit broke. Like it was my fault, so yeah, I pinned it up so that I can do try on. So the button is here, I can fix it up, but yeah, it was my fault. I just pulled it hard. So but like it's really pretty. It's really pretty. The quality of everything is really good, but like this hoodie, you can see it's like this, but like it's good. It will last one season. It's okay. I really like it. It's so comfy and like it's so warm. Like it's winter, end of winter now, but like literally it's very cold here our side in Australia, but like other part of the world will be in winter, autumn, winter soon. So we'll be in fall season and we will be in spring, summer season. So yeah, in coming up months. So yeah, you will take care. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.